Okay, so here is what your main page is going to look like. You can see at the top we've got home, workouts, nutrition, community, blog, shop, help, and then your account. Um, I stay logged in all the time, so I don't have to worry about it. You can choose you can stay at home, you can go to your workouts, you can choose what level that you want, the workout length, what kind of program you want, whether it's cardio, dance, low impact, muscle building, yoga, whatever it may be. And then also the featured program right now, which is the VIP Early Access Lift 4, 80-Day Obsession, Mes de Mas, and a little obsessed. That's going to change all the time. So what I do is, this is what I am working on right now. And so I would go to Lift 4, and that will pop up. Hopefully my internet is working. Here we go. And it'll give me an introduction to it. It will show you an overview of the program, what your schedule is like, how long the workouts are. It's muscle building. It's for intermediate and advanced. The program plan, which I'm not sure why this is not, there we go. It's 50 workouts, 60 days. It gives you a nutrition guide. Everything you need to know is here. So you've got your workout list, which I just showed you, but then you've got your program materials. And this goes for every program that's on there. You'll get a workout calendar, what workout to do what day. Your weight progression to keep track of the weights that you use so you know how you're progressing throughout the program. Your program and nutrition guide. All of these things are downloadable. This is why Beachbody has gone all streaming to Beachbody On Demand, so that we don't have to worry about all of those DVDs falling all over the place at home, right? And then it's also cost effective, because then all of these program materials don't have to be color printed out and sent to you. So we've got an introduction to Lift 4. I'm just going to go through real quick. An introduction to the nutrition, how to lift 4. It goes through the basic weightlifting exercises that you'll be doing. I am up to week 8 for Shred It. There are recovery workouts, all kinds of information. So you can do this with any program that you want. So let's say you're looking for a cardio program. You would click on cardio, and hopefully this will come up. Hello. And my internet does not want to work right now. So you can go to cardio, click on that, and it'll bring up all the cardio based programs. Really, really simple, guys. That's all you need to do. So hope you got all of that. Here we go. Wait a minute here. Cardio, let's see. It doesn't want to pull up. My internet's being wonky today. So that's all you need to do. Super simple.